Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience with the latest tech, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the best CarPlay Dash Cams that not only provide crystal clear footage but also make your drive smarter and safer. From seamless integration with your smartphone to advanced features like GPS, voice control, and 4K resolution, these dash cams are the perfect blend of convenience and security. Stick around to find out which one will be the perfect fit for your ride. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, Srnubi CarPlay Dash Cam. The Srnubi 10.26-inch dash cam is more than just a recorder, it's a smart driving companion. With 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, it captures crisp, detailed footage, ensuring clear visibility day or night. The 10.26-inch IPS touchscreen offers an intuitive interface, making navigation a breeze. Stay connected on the go with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Access maps, music, and calls seamlessly, all while keeping your hands on the wheel. Plus, the built-in GPS provides real-time tracking and playback for added security. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens enhances safety by covering more of the road. And with features like G-sensor, motion detection, and voice control, this dash cam ensures a smarter, hands-free driving experience. Fourth product on our list, Obdpeak K2 CarPlay Dash Cam. Obdpeak K2 10.26-inch dash cam 4K 2160p rearview camera CarPlay and Android Auto GPS navigation with voice control car DVR BT FM monitor. Stay hands-free with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Access maps, music, and calls without distraction. The external GPS module enhances navigation accuracy, while 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity ensure seamless smartphone integration. With super night vision, loop recording, and G-sensor, it keeps your vehicle protected 24/7. The parking monitor adds extra security, especially when parked. Third product on our list, Imagebon H50 Android Auto Dash Cam. The Imagebon H50 11.3-inch dash cam, an all-in-one solution for drivers seeking premium performance. With its 4K resolution and 3-channel recording, it provides complete coverage of the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle. The IPS touchscreen offers clear, vibrant displays, making it easy to navigate through features. Stay connected with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling hands-free access to your favorite apps while driving. The built-in GPS logger helps track your speed and coordinates, giving you added peace of mind. The 24-hour parking monitor and superior night vision ensure your car is protected even when parked. With G-sensor and ADAS, it offers collision warnings and intelligent driving assistance. Second product on our list, Xgody 4K Dash Cam. The Xgody 4K Dash Cam is a must-have for any driver looking to enhance their car's safety and convenience. With a stunning 10.26-inch display, this dash cam offers 4K video resolution, ensuring clear and detailed footage both day and night. The built-in GPS and 160-degree wide-angle lens capture everything on the road, providing a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Thanks to wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, you can easily connect your smartphone to the system for seamless navigation, music, and calls. The 24-hour parking monitor feature ensures your car is always under surveillance, while the G-sensor automatically detects any impact, locking the footage for future reference. With an easy installation that integrates directly into the rearview mirror, the Xgody Dash Cam provides both functionality and a sleek design. It supports up to 128 gigabytes of external memory for extensive recording, making it an excellent choice for safety-conscious drivers. First product on our list, Obdpeak K2 Pro Wireless CarPlay Dash Cam. The Obdpeak K2 Pro 11.3-inch car DVR is a cutting-edge dash cam designed to enhance your driving experience. With a stunning 4K camera resolution, 3840 by 2160, it captures every detail on the road. Equipped with dual lenses, it records both front and rear views, ensuring full coverage. The 11.3-inch IPS touchscreen offers a crisp display, while its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration allow seamless connection to your smartphone for easy navigation and entertainment. This dash cam supports loop cycle recording, so you never miss a moment, automatically overriding old footage. It features built-in GPS, external GPS logger, and speed and coordinates recording, making it perfect for long drives and road trips. Additional benefits include waterproofing, anti-fog, anti-vibration, and wide dynamic range, ensuring clear footage in any conditions. The Obdpeak K2 Pro is a powerful, reliable tool for safe, convenient driving.